Learn French with Alice. Hi everybody! Let's continue our French lessons about sirènes. At the Hi Meows, we can't really talk about mermaids without talking about mercats. You may not realize it, but you already know how to say mercat in French if you followed the previous lessons. It's easy. It's chat, sirène. Chat, sirène. Now the question is, do you remember how to spell it? Get a paper and pen. Pause the video if you need to. Do you have what you need to write? Perfect. Write down chat first. Chat. And then the word sirène. 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 If it's too hard, don't worry. We'll do it together soon. But first, try it on your own. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just go for it. Yes, that's great. All right, let's do it together now. Let's write chat first. C-H-A-T. Now we leave a little space and we write sirène. S-I-R-E with the accent grave on top. Hop là. And N and E. There we go. Chat sirène. I just wrote chat sirène. Well done. Practice writing like this at home. You can take any of our lessons and write down the words every time we spell them. It's fun. All right, let's watch a Mercat song.
She swims beneath the moonlit sea, the graceful little mermaid. She starts to sing a lullaby. She hops on a rock to watch the boats. She licks her paw to clean her coat, closes her eyes with a gentle sigh. Soothing sounds drift from the sky, gliding through the coral reefs. Fins reflect like golden leaves. Starfish twinkle on the sand. Dreams unfold in Mercat land. Seashells whisper tales of old. Ocean secrets they unfold. Close your eyes and drift away to the realms where Mercats play. Softly shining ocean lights, guiding you through peaceful nights. Mercat songs will guide your sleep in the calm of waters deep. Gentle currents sway the tide. Mercats dance with ocean pride. Dreams of wonder feel so sweet in a Mercat world that falls asleep. Seashells whisper tales of old. Ocean secrets they unfold.